Okay, so as you can see, the CD clearly has scratches, some pretty nasty scratches on here. So in order to repair this, the first step is to take your banana and wipe it all over the CD. Get it all around. Okay, good. Now the second step is take the banana peel and apply pressure and just wipe it down. Try to push the residue into the CD. Do this for about 2 minutes. Alright, now that's taken care of. Now what you want to do is wipe it down completely with a cloth, or I use a shirt, and apply pressure and firmly wipe it down for at least 5 minutes. Alright, now that I'm finished, you're going to want to take your Windex and pour it on the CD, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour it on the shirt. Like so. Now take your CD and wipe it all clean. And there you have it, sparkling clean new CD.